Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel Short and Sweet in Chemistry BL Das. Now we will see the part 2 uses of log table in chemistry, especially in 11th class chemical equilibrium, in 12th class chemical kinetics and electrochemistry. Now we will focus to the formula log A by B and also anti-logarithm. What are the uses of anti-logarithm in chemistry? So let us start the formula part 2, some formula of logarithm. The formula log A by B. What is log A by B? Log A minus log B. Log A minus log B. Examples, let us log 3 by 7. So what is the value? Log 3 minus log 7. Then we have to calculate individual log 3 and log 7. Then you will make a minus up to. Then next is anti-logarithm. What is anti-logarithm? Let us see here log x equal to y. Then what is anti-log of y? That is equal to x. Again see, if log x the value is y, then anti-log of y equal to x. Let us example log 83 value already I have calculated in previous video 1.919, that means anti-log of 1.919 equal to 83. So again see the formula carefully, log A by B equal to log A minus log B. And example, you take any one, log 3 by 7, log 14 by 17, you can do any one. So here the log 3 minus log 7, if the question is log 3 by 7. Then log x equal to y, then what is anti-log? Anti-log of y equal to x. Then I start an example of calculation, log 37 by 24. Log 37 by 24 means log A by B. So what you will do? Log 37 minus log 24. Now it is easy. Log A by B, log A minus log B. Then you know how to calculate log 37. You will see here two digits are there, that is why 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 point, and 37 you will go to our log table where it is 37 and you will find here 0. 37 and 0, what is the value? The value is 5682. So what is log 37? That is 1.5682. Similarly, log 24. 24 again 2 digits, that is why you will put 1 point. Then come to 24, see 24 here and come to 0 and here see where it will meet. That value is 3802. So what is the answer of log 24? 1.3802. Then you make a minus, the value come to 0.1880. Then let us example log 10 to the power minus 3 by 1. So by 1, that 1 square, sometime you may confuse, or you can take here log, actually according to calculation, according to that formula, here you can put log A minus log B. So log 10 to the power minus 3 and log 1 equal to 0, this value come to 0 and here minus 3 log 10, or simply you can say log 10 to the power minus 3, so the value comes to minus 3 log 10. Only I want to remove the confusion, that is why I have done like this log 1, otherwise not necessary. You can directly write log 10 to the power minus 3, then answer is minus 3 log 10, then come to a minus 3 because log 10 equal to 1. Then here see log 1 by 10 to the power minus 10. Then what to do? If you take 10 here 10 to the power 10, then if the question is 1 by 10 to the power minus 10, then it becomes log 10 to the power 10. So there is no minus sign, it is plus sign. So 10 comes to here, or you can write 10 log 10, that is equal log 10 equal to 1. So the answer is here 10. And here the next example, here log 0.05 divided by 0.02 to the power 2 or whole square. Then what to do? Here you will simplify this one. 0.05 divided by 0.02 square, then the answer after calculation, after simplification, it comes to log 500 by 4. Then what is the last value? Log 125. See, when you see this one so complicated, but when you calculate, simplify the process, and now you will get here log 125. It is very easy. 125 125 or 125, there are 3 digits, so 3 minus 1 2, so log 125, here 2 point. Then how to see? You see log 12 5, then you see here log 12, see log 12, then come to 5, here you will see where it will meet, that value is 0.0969. So now it is very simple calculation, only you will divide, and lastly you will get log 125, then comes to 2.0969. The next is log 23.9 divided by 2.15. This is also same formula, it follows log A by B. So log 23.9 2.15, so log A minus log B. So log A, what is the value? Log 23.9 minus log 2.15. Then what is the answer? You will see log 23.9. See, there are 2 digits, 23, 2 digits, that is why 2 minus 1. So before decimal it is 1 point. And how to see the log? 23 9, that means here you will see 23 and here you will see 9, and what is the value you have seen here, you can see, and the value is 3783. Then what is the value of log 23.9? That is 1.3783. Then here log 2.15. Log 2.15 before decimal 1 digit, that is 2. 2 means that digit is 1. Then how many digits? 1 digit. So 1 minus 1, that equal to 0. So you will write 0 point. Then how can you see log table? Then log 21 5. See here log 21 and 5. Here you can see 5, log 21 5, then you will get the value that is written, that is 3324. 3324, then you will make a minus, and after that the answer is 1.0459. That means log 23.9 divided by 2.15, the answer, the value comes to 1.0459. I hope it is clear. We will see other examples including anti-logarithm. Next example, we will see log A by B. Now see log 0.13. 0.13, that means we can write log 13 by 100. It is easy. If you do like this calculation, log A by B, it is easy. There will be no mistake. Log 13 by 100, that is log A by B. So log A minus log B. What is the formula log A by B? Log A minus log B. That is why you put here log 13 minus log 100. That means log 13 minus, here write log 10 to the power 2. That means you can write 2 log 10, and you know you have seen the calculation of log 13 how to do. 13 mean you will see log 13 and 0 where the point will meet. That answer is 1139. Since there are two digits 1 3, there are two digits, that is why 2 minus 1, 1.1139. That means log 13, how to do calculate 13, log 13 you will go to 0 and see where is the point it will meet. That point is 1139, and 13 because here two digits, so 2 minus 1, 1.1139. So you have to calculate here 1.1139 minus 2, and what is the value? The value is minus 0.8861. Minus 0.8861. So log 13 by log 100, here lastly the answer is like this, minus 0.8861, or you can say log 0.13, the answer is minus 0.8861. Then come to next example where you see log 0.000430. 0.0004 divided by 0.2. Now you do calculation here, simplify this one, and it comes to 2 by 1000. Now 2 by 1000 means here you will put log A minus log B, and log B that you can put in directly way log 10 to the power 3, that comes to 3 log 10. You know what is the value of log 10? That equal to 1. So you can see here that value log 2. You know how to calculate log 2, I told in first video. That means 2 mean you will take 20. Log 20 and 0. And here you will see what is the point. Log 20 you can see here. Log 20 and 0, and the value comes to 3010. But here only one digit, 2. That is one digit. That is why 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So what is the value of log 2? 0.3010. Now here 3 log 10, so it is minus 3 because minus is there, and 3 log 10 the value comes to 3. So if you make a minus, the value comes to minus 3.3010. Now minus 3 you can write in bar also. When you will write bar, then one number you increase. See the method. One number 1 increase, that means minus 3 it changes to 4 bar, and you put point as it is. In bracket you do what to do, 1 2 3 4, 4 digits are there, so you put 4 0, 1 2 3 4, and also 1 is there, including 1 you will put 4 0. Then make a minus 3010. This is very easiest method and shortcut method. How can change to bar? Minus 3, one number increase and changes to 4 bar, and here you take 1 2 3 4 4 0, and you also include 1 also, and after making minus the value comes to 6990. Point remain as it is, and instead of minus 3 you will put 4 bar and 0.6990. Again see, if the value in the term of minus sign, then this value what is written here, minus 3, one number you increase, that is 4 bar. And here point as it is you will put here, and after that you make minus of How many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, because 4 digits are there and including 1 also. And what is the value? 6990. So the answer is in terms of bar, 4 bar 6.6990. Then come to our anti-log. It is also very easy. Log 1 equal to 0. Similarly, I told also in the formula, anti-log of 0 equal to 1. You can see here anti-log. You can see here anti-log. See log 0, anti-log 0 equal to 1. So here 0.00 anti-log of 0.00 started and here 0.99 anti-log of 0.99. That means you see the anti-log table once you read properly from where it started. In mean difference written, here also mean difference written, here 0.00 started and here it ends in 0.99. So let us very simple calculation. Anti-log 32.95. Anti-log 32.95. Listen carefully. Before decimal, what number is given? Before decimal, you see in this question 32 is given. 32 is written. So you put first multiply sign. You put from this side multiply sign. Then you put this value 32, 10 to the power 32. Your first part is over. What you will do? Before decimal, what digit is there? You put multiply 10 to the power 32. Now we will see log 1. Log 1 equal to 0. Then I already told anti-log of 0 equal to 1. Log 1 equal to 0. Anti-log of 0 equal to 1. That means here you will see log anti-log both are interrelated. Now question, anti-log 32.95. Then what to do? Then here 32, before decimal 32 is there. That is why you put here one multiplication sign, then 10 to the power 32. From this side you write here 10 to the power 32. Then what is remaining? 0.95. Then you will see here anti-log of 0.95. Anti-log of 0.95 and you go to 0, then the value written 8913. Now you can see here anti-log of this. Now here anti-log that is started from 0.00 and ends in 0.99. That means here you will see 0.950. Now here 0.95 and 0, then you see where is the meeting point, and here what happened, what is the value that is written, that means here 8913. 0.950, that is 8913. So you put here 8913, but after one digit you should put one decimal. That means here 8913, after one digit, that means after 8 you put the decimal. Then what is the answer? 8.913 10 to the power 32. Then come to anti-log of 6.0516. I told here 6, what to do? 10 to the power 6, multiplication sign, 10 to the power 6. Then you will see anti-log of 0.05 and upper part you see 1. That means you can check here, then you can check here anti-log of 0.05, 0.051. 0.051, you can see here the value is written 1125. Then after 1 also there is other digit, that is 6. Then how can you calculate of 6? You will find the mean difference of 6. You will see 0.05 and mean difference 6. When you see the value that is equal to 2. That means mean difference of 6 equal to 2. So 1125 plus 2, that value comes to 1127. So put here 1127 After one digit you put decimal. That means what is the answer? 1.127 10 to the power 6. So antilog of 6.0516, the answer is 1.127 10 to the power 6. Then come to antilog of 0.1172. Before decimal 0 is there. So you can write 10 to the power 0. What is mean by 10 to the power 0? That value equal to 1. So you will see antilog of 0.11. See here, this is antilog of 0.11 and here that value 7. So antilog of 0.11 here 7 and the value here return 1309. Then he will put here 1309, but after 7 also there is one digit, that is 2. So you should find mean difference of 2. You should find mean difference of 2, that is equal to 1. So here 1309 plus 1, that value comes to 1310. So you write here 1310 and after one digit you put decimal. So the answer is 1.310 because 10 to the power 0 equal to 1. So antilog of 0.1172 equal to 1.310. Now see here, this is the formula of log A by B and here it is antilog. Antilog here you know log 1 equal to 0, antilog of 0 equal to 1. Similarly, when you calculate antilog of 32.95, that value comes to 8.913 10 to the 32. That means surely the log of this value, log of 8.913 10 to the power 32 should be equal to 32.95 because I told log and antilog both are interrelated, and similarly antilog of 6.0516 051 you will see, and mean difference of 6 you will add here, and this is the value. After one digit you put the decimal, and here also the antilog 0.1172 you will find antilog of 0.117, it is the 1309, and 1309 you will put mean difference of 2 equal to 1, add it and the value come to 1.310 because after one digit you will put decimal. Now the example we will check here, antilog of some negative sign. That means you can see the question antilog minus 3.0265 having minus sign, then what to do? Here the minus sign change to bar. I told you also minus 3 changes to bar how one number you increase. That means minus 3 changes to 4 bar. Then here what is the value? 0265. That means here how many 0 you will put? 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 0 you will put including 1. 1 0 0 0 0 4 0. And next minus this value 0265. Then what is the value here? 9735. Then you will find now the question changed to antilog 4 bar 0.9735. Before the question is antilog minus 3.0265. Now the question changes to antilog 4 bar 0.9735. So you will find now a antilog 0.97 and 3. 0.973 you will see antilog 0.97 and 3, and you point that value is written there 9397 in antilog table copy paper. You can see here that value is written, that value is given 9397, and after that also the other digit is there, that is 5. So you should see mean difference of 5 according to that line 0.97 to that line. You will check mean difference of 5, that value comes to 11. So what to do here? 9397 plus 11. What is the value now? 9408. Now you put the value 9408. I told after one digit you will put decimal. So after one digit, that is 9, you will put decimal. So what is the value now? 9.408, and it is, since it is bar, 4 bar, that means you will put 10 to the power minus 4. So the answer is here 9.408 10 to the power minus 4. This is very important. Mind it, if minus is given, you will change to bar, and after bar you see the anti-log of this value and mean difference and add it and write here, and after one digit you will put decimal. And here since 4 bar, then you will put 10 to the power minus 4. Then come to anti-log 0.205. It is very simple. You will see 2.20. Here 0.205. That means in anti-log table you will go to 0.20 and 5. You see that where the consideration point is there, that is 1603. 1603 you put here 1603, and after one digit, that means after 1 you will put a decimal sign. So what is the value here? 1.603. I told also, if you find the log of this value, it should come the answer, that is 0.205. Log of this equal to this value, antilog of this equal to this value. Then come to antilog of 0.0235. See here 0235. That means you will see 0.02, antilog of 0.02, and 3 is there. So you will go to 3 and see what is the point to meet here, the value where you can see 1054. But here other digit is there. Then here you can find mean difference of 5. Mean difference of 5 in the line 0.02. So you can find the value is written there 1. So you will what to do? 1054 plus 1, that gives 1055. You put this value here 1055, but after one digit you will put decimal. So the answer is like that, 1.055. Since 0 is there, before decimal 0 is there, 10 to the power 0, that meaning that is equal to 1. So the answer is 1.055 into 1, that is the same meaning, 1.055. So next question here, antilog of 0.642, only 3 digit, 0. Before decimal 0 is there, that means 10 to the power 0, that is equal to 1. So here that is not so problem. Here you will see antilog of 0.64, but of what digit? You will go to 2. So you will go to 0.64, antilog table 0.64, go to 2 and check it. This value is written 4385. And since it is only 3 digit, there is no mean difference. You have to not calculate the mean difference of any. Only 0.64 to the value is 4385. Put 4385, and after one digit you put decimal. So the answer is 4.385. That means antilog of 0.642, that comes to 4.385. And last example here, that is also very easy. Antilog of 12.5916. 12 point mean you will put 10 to the 12. You will put 10 to the 12 in the right side, then multiply sign, then here you will check. Antilog of 0.591. 0.591. You check here, the value is written 3899. So what to do? You will check antilog of 0.59 and go to 1 and 1, then you can check, and where 5.59 is there, that value is 3899. Now after that also other digit is there, that is 6. Then what to do about 6? You will find mean difference of 6 corresponding to the value antilog 0.59. Then what is the answer that you can find here? Mean difference of 6 equal to 5. Then what to do here? You will add 3899 and add 5. Here you should add 5. That means 3899 plus 5, that equal to 3904. So you will write 3904 10 to the power 12. And I told how to get the correct answer. After one digit you will put decimal. So the answer is 3.904 into 10 to the power 12. This is the correct answer. So again see, if there is minus sign in antilog, you convert to bar, then you will make minus of like this 4 digit 40 including 1, you make minus, and after that it changes to bar, and you can calculate here antilog of this like as it is. How to calculate you know before. Then if there is a mean, you can add that mean difference, then 940, this is called mean difference of 5 because 5 is there. Similarly, antilog of 0.205, very easy, 0.205 will check, and that value is 1603, one answer is 1.603. Similarly, next question 0.0235, you check it 0.02 and go to 1 and see, that is 1054. And what is the mean difference? That is 5. Mean difference of 5 equal to 1. So add it and you write after one digit there is a decimal sign. Antilog of 0.642 same. 0.64 you will check 2. 0.64 you will check 2. Then here what is the value given? 4385. Put 4385, but after one digit you put the decimal. Similarly, antilog 12.5916. It is very easy. 12 you write 10 to the 12. Then see 0.591, you go to 0.59, antilog 0.591, and what is the value? 3899. It is 3899 and mean difference of 6 because the other digit is 6. Mean difference of 6 equal to 5. Then you add, that comes to 3904. So put here 3904. After 3 there is a decimal. So the answer is 3.904 10 to the power 12. Or now you can write also 3.9 because 04 is there. So you can write 3.9 10 to the power 12. Now this anti-logarithm, I think it is clear. Anti-logarithm calculation, you do so many calculation and check by the calculator, and if any problem try, you surely will get the correct answer. And one request, first when you see the video, you should open the log table and anti-log table. Second request, here first you see the video 1 part 1, after that you see video part 2. When you will see video part 1, then it will be easy to see the part 2. You can understand easily what are the difference between logarithm, anti-logarithm, how can calculate logarithm log, logarithm calculation, how can do the anti-logarithm calculation. I hope it will be easy if you see first part 1 video, then next part 2 video, and also you should open the log table and anti-log table paper or book or any you can use. I hope this logarithm, anti-logarithm, that it is clear to you. I hope you like the video. Share and like and subscribe my channel. Short and sweet in chemistry, BL Das. Thank you all.